Ready to ditch the realtor and buy your Texas dream home on your own terms. First, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This tells you how much you can borrow and strengthens your offer. Contact lenders, compare interest rates, and gather all necessary financial documents like pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Now, dive into property research. Use online platforms to find homes that match your criteria, focusing on location, size, and features. Pay close attention to neighborhood amenities, school districts, and potential property taxes. Due diligence is key. Hire a qualified inspector to assess the property's condition. Address any red flags before making an offer. Consider the foundation, roof, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. You'll also want to order a title search to ensure there are no outstanding liens or claims on the property. Time to negotiate. Craft your offer carefully, considering the property's value, its condition, and recent sales in the area. Be prepared to counteroffer and stand your ground. You can use a real estate attorney to help you with negotiations if you're feeling overwhelmed. Speaking of attorneys, get one. A real estate attorney will review the purchase agreement, ensure all legal requirements are met, and guide you through the closing process. This is a crucial step to protect your interests and avoid potential pitfalls. Finally, closing time. Review all documents carefully with your attorney, sign the papers, and transfer the funds. Congratulations, you're officially a Texas homeowner. Why you're all without a realtor. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips. #BuyWithoutRealtor #Texas Real Estate.